That's what a lot of niggas be doing before they go to school. Always have to. They eat, right? Bitch, I'm told, and this circuit got me gone, so that Addy and we young. Oh boy, this shit, bitch, I'm sipping on potions. Little bitch, I'm told, and this circuit got me gone, so that Addy and we young. Over Addy, bitch, I'm told it. Go in slow motion. Yeah, I can find it for dunce. So yeah, so you know, I just gotta say, man. Hold on. I charge my phone real quick. Okay, so pretty, right? Huh? See, I don't know who this is first off. It's the Don Gog, the Bunga himself, Captain Marbunga. Anyways, Captain Marbunga, there. Oh, anyways, condom, chip, blocks. So, the priest said, yeah. 1 month notice been uploaded.
You stupid.
They're not.
I think it's still about 3 weeks and a week after. Like 29 days plus one. And another thing. But anyways, I don't want none. But like, you don't know what I say? You say, you know what? I'm for pay for really dance. Yes, I know. So I was saying that the very first video I upload, not the intro, or like the trailer. Like, go to the first, like the second video, which is actually the official first video. Both of them move from Bronx to Big BX. Big BX is ever in my heart, but you know, I've turned into an 845 man. You understand? It's not living at 845, right? In 845, it's like Bronx or in the city, New York City. You get your permit at 16. But the difference is you hold up here, you hold a permit for 6 months. And you know, during that 6 months, you whipping it with your mom's in like the passenger seat, or somebody else who's like 21 with a driver's license in the passenger seat, just whipping it. Give them like 16 to 17,000 heart attacks in that 6 month range. You know, after 6 months, go to the road test, boom. Like, you know, pass that shit. Or if you feel it,
Stupid.
That's probably not what you want to do, but yeah, but like, you know, you pass it, whatnot, get your license. 16, whipping it, just can't drive in the city. The closest you can go to the city is MV. Which I don't know if you know.
Nigga, that's depression.
That's pretty bad. Because what can you do, Mount Vernon? What can you do, Mount Vernon? Like, for real. What do you do with Mount Vernon? Imagine parking your car on 241st or 242nd and walk to the train station. Taking a train to wherever you gotta go. Taking a bus to wherever you gotta go. Your man's over here.
Bro, I thought you had a car, bro.
Like, yeah, but like, you know, I can't really drop this shit down here. So like, I gotta take the bus and the train and whatnot and Uber, you feel me? But, you know, all comes with it. When you turn 18, simple, just get the actual, like, the official big man license. Like this, right? Like, the license you get when you're 16 is a junior big man license. You understand? Okay, the actual license I can get at a big man license. You understand? The big man license. But anyways, in the mood of driving, I mean, no stay no phone and watch me. Someone they up here with me. Someone they doing that, bro. I wanna well one drive. Someone girl who do one by one car. I want a man who drive. Kind of first and for she's too, because like you can't even know enough to do in that situation there. I can tell if your man eat that, yes or no. But today we are gonna see me can drive. This should be very, very, very interesting. I'm gonna do the first test, I'm gonna do the second test. Let's get my food. And come here, go reach out. feel me? Practice his tool. Start no. Signs with black lip.
He needs some milk.
Alright. Signs with black letters or symbols on an orange background provide specific information to drivers in work zones. I bet now our situation is situated. Feel me? Next. What's his sign mean? The road is slippy when wet. Slow down. Most of that it's wet. You don't feel like you should drive faster. Try that when I'm not in the car, please. I'm not. I love my life. Alright, bro. You can do when you and your bitches in the car. You can do when you and your mom's in the car. I don't care who you do in the car with. Just make sure I'm not in that. If I die, I'm gonna haunt you, bro. I'm gonna haunt. I'm not supposed to say that. Why does it say 13 arrows? Oh. Anyways. Wait, no, that. Exactly. Only did 3 clicks. You know. So, if a driver's left arm is extended out the window and bent upwards, it means that the driver intends to. You know what? I'm not gonna do these questions. I got something. Say this scheme, I can drive. You see my mom's can drive.
One eternity later.
That's what I know now.
Huh?
Never heard the word.
That now go happen.
Plan against me. Boy, she's might as soon forward. Yeah. So I'll just go and run through the test, yeah. I'm gonna get our next test. Boom. So this, I think he's gonna slow down and stop. Nope.
That now go happen.
Turn right. Okay. Only, alright, when are you allowed to talk on a cell phone while you're driving? Never. Oh, confusing. I did not see that part. I saw the never. Okay. If your blood, blah blah blah, you're currently 0.8. Okay, I thought it was 0.5. That's my fault. Okay. Use your horn to. Or no zones, area or parties, very pedestrian modes. These all sound like no zones, to be honest. You know what? Just wait a minute. I was taking the third one.
Yo feel my idiot.
Okay, we're just gonna do not pass the vehicle on the left if you're leaning at the side yellow sign. You see this line, you must, that's a yield sign. Where I just space cushion between your vehicle and okay, I felt like I've seen this already. This is the 2-second one. I read the book.
I'm still a piece of garbage.
Turn around a narrow 2-way street. You may use the people turn. Yes, that. Stop mine. Oh, when you're still approaching vehicle, you must stop at least 20 feet. When it's that plus no right turn. Roundabout. If you are confronted by an aggressive driver, you should look them dead in the eye, ask them what's up, pull the toolie.
That now go happen.
Better you go to your bed.
But you know, I think you should avoid making eye contact. Oh. No violence. My fault, excuse me. Okay, I think I'm done now. Boom. So, if this nigga here signal indicates that you must slow down, you stupid nigga. If a tire blows while you're driving, what should you do? First off, why is the tire blowing out?
Stupid.
Yeah, I know like anything can happen, but like first you should have all that checked. You know, but you know you should probably hold that steering for dear life. Fact though. In New York State, which occupants of a vehicle must wear a seatbelt or a suitable child restraints. All front seat passengers. Bro, what is the difference, bro?
Dumbass motherfucker.
This means a divided highway. So, you know, this is a little pep talk with me. So far, I'm doing pretty bad. I got like 2 or 3 wrong. Nothing I can handle, but you know. Tell me, how was that day? Comment down below how your day went. My day went good. You know, how was your 4th of July? Depending on when you're watching this, whenever. You know, comment down. If your 4th of July went good, you know, hit that subscribe button, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, hit that, like, deck that subscribe button. You feel me? Make sure you ring that bell beside it, because, like, you know, like, I guarantee you, bro, when you touch that bell, it's gonna start ringing. And your girl's gonna want, and bro, that girl that curved you last week, she gonna want you today, bro. As soon as you hit that subscribe button. And take a shower, but, like, that's what's up. You feel me? What else? Make sure you liking the video. Make sure you share with your man. So your man can share with your other mans and other niggas. Get it. Alright, next. Link that usually diamond shape with black letters or symbols on a yellow background with warning signs. This is the school zone. Feel me? Bro, going through this easy, bro. Like, what? You would think I'm a star, bro. How long my hair? Nigga, what? You feel me? Make sure you subscribe, bro. If you subscribe, bro, your hair will be either just as long or longer than this, bro. Overnight. Overnight in my language means at least a couple months, but like that's the point, bro. Just let's say, Lord, is it legal to drive? Well, people ask me this question so many times. Entering a roundabout, rotary, or a traffic circle, you must both. Don't know why it is both. Okay. A narrow road ahead. And when there are double solid lines next to your lane, you are not allowed to pass or change lanes. I'm lying, you definitely are, bro. Nobody can tell you different, but God.
Your favorite idiot.
You being tailgated, you should stick your head out the window and tell that to get above your tail. What is you supposed to do? Slow down and pull off the road. Yeah. 500 feet. For better visibility, bro, use low beam headlights. Cause what are my moms if I'm driving on the opposite side of the road and you see me coming and you do not switch to low beam headlights? Wait. Yeah, you gotta see and you do not switch to low beam headlights. We're gonna get it. Get out the car. On some GTA shit. I'm gonna come to your car, take you out your car, and I'm gonna beat you up. And the boys is watching this. I'm just playing. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just like make a window or something. This sign means that a nigga's ahead. I mean a flag is ahead. We're gonna say, you must do the 100 feet thing. This is a gas station where you get all the gas. Only one uptown is. I eat this small town. If you want a big guy, the size of
Your favorite idiot.
You understand? You see the skull? What the fuck is this? You see the skull? See the skull? Big drop in this. 92. 92. 92. I don't know who are you. You see the 70, the past 92. But you know, we're running back. So my mom's here. If my mom's gonna come, they just probably end the video. If you see anything after this, then you know my mom's came. But like, at this end of the video, you know, subscribe, like, share it to your men, share it to other 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 men. Feel me? This is the Banga here, Captain Marbanga. Understand? Me are the Captain Banga, me are the captain of the ship. You know, ladies and gentlemen, this is your fucking captain speaking. And we on some Banga shit right now. So like, you know, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that good shit. Turn on your post notifications. Because like, if you're not doing that, then what is you doing?
You better you go to your bed.
Alright, bet. Alright, bet. I'm off. Bye.